I found these Thanksgiving characters in ceramic at Hobby Lobby. There is a squirrel, an owl, a pilgrim, a scarecrow, a turkey, and a fox. I'm going to drill a hole in the top of each one of them. This kit did come with paint, but I'm going to be using Wise Owl. This is the fox. I started with the mandarina. I know you're all going to say my hand's not steady enough. Mine did not really look perfect when I was done. I just did my best to try to stay as simple with the paint as possible and get as close on the items as I could. So this is the turkey. I did the mandarina on his outside wings, and then I mixed goldenrod and chocolate for his face. Then I did the goldenrod for his belly area and the back. I did the chocolate with the goldenrod, and then the actual feathers that go around his head I did in chocolate. And then his hat I did in black. And his beard I did in the Republic Red. He was probably the most intricate one. This is a squirrel. I did the nut with the goldenrod and the chocolate, and then the rest of his body I did in the smoky quartz and left the whites of his eyes white. This is the owl. I did this in chocolate. I left the face white. And then his belly I did in goldenrod. This is the pilgrim. I did his hat in black, his coat in black, and his pants in Bowie. And then I did goldenrod around the hairline. This is the scarecrow. I did the suspender pants in Bowie, the hair goldenrod, the hat in mandarina. It had a sunflower on there, so I just went and painted the whole thing and then went back in with the sunflower with some goldenrod and a little bit of chocolate in that center. I did the shirt in goldenrod. And again, guys, this is not perfect. I went back with my squirrel and painted his eyes white. I allowed that all to dry, and then I'm taking my lemon verbatim and I'm brushing it all over my figures, and now I'm going in with the black all over the figure. I'm going to show you one, and I did this on all of them. My black is a little watered down along with my brush. I take a baby wipe and I wipe it back. This really masks any imperfection in your painting, and I just love the vintage look, and I did this on all the figures. This is the fox. Again, I covered him in the watered down black. But remember, I did that salve first, so that's my barrier that's allowing me to wipe back the paint. If I didn't have that barrier, I would not be able to wipe it back. And see the black in all those crevices? That's masking all my lines that were not perfect. Then at the end, I went back and put the black eyes in, and I did touch each nose in pink. I took these leaves from the Dollar Tree and I added the numbers 1 to 6. I took these pipe cleaners, put a curl on the end, glued the number onto the curl, and then hot glued my pipe cleaner into these holes I created. Now you have these little table setters. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com for any paint products, tissue paper transfers, mesh stencils, and our 2-ounce sets, chalkitupfancy.com.